Clever girl. Some of Marco's toys inside. She had a breakfast, but not that much. Hi. Nice and comfortable inside there. What are you going to bring out next? The yellow duck is inside there. Oh, the Christmas decoration. You almost got it. Cat in the box. Hi. Bless you. Not that one. Oh, one by one. Oh, almost. Oh. Duck. Too big for her. Okay. I'm gonna go and have my coffee first. Already made it. My back is aching. Today I've got Emrys at 6. Oh, beautiful yellow bird. Emrys at 6 and then Andy maybe at 8 or 8:30. I was also thinking last night, go and get my insurance and road tax renewed today itself. Instead of waiting for the 20th. I'll see how I feel. Got a bit too tired. Last night. Okay, I'm gonna have my coffee.